Welcome. In front of me is an Itel S24 and today I'm going to show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down all your toggles. Now make sure you do it from the top right side, as this is where the toggles are. The left side has notifications. And in here we are looking for the screen recording toggle, which for me it is visible right over here. Now once you see it, you can simply tap on it. As you can see, it starts to record right away without any kind of settings or anything like that showing up. Once you're done, you can just click on that square to save the recording and stop it. And then it gives you the options for folders, which is where all your screen recordings are located, settings, and close option. So once you finish recording, you can find your screen recording in the Photos application. And the easiest way to locate it will be to navigate into collections. And in here we're looking for, I believe, either video or screenshots. Let's first try screenshots. That's not it. Let's try videos then. Okay, again, no. So I could spend some time trying to locate this screen recording, to be honest. But just know by default it should be here. I honestly can't be bothered looking for it because of the account and people using this. There is just something messed up. And for some reason it's not saving it like it should. So chronologically today it should be not this garbage, whatever that is, but the actual screen recording that I have captured just a freaking second ago. But just know that for you it will most certainly be in that location, and just for me not so much. In any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.